Good morning, dear students. Today our topic is primary batteries. Primary batteries. See the introduction of batteries, beginning with the frog leg experiment by Galvani in the year 1786, followed by the demonstrations of Volta pile by Volta 1792 and lead acid accumulator by Plante in 1859. Several battery chemistries have been developed and realized commercially. Volta pile by Volta, lead acid accumulator by Plante, frog leg experiment by Galvani. These three scientists proposed battery concept. Battery means a battery is a transducer that converts chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. A battery is a transducer that converts chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. It contains a anode source, a cathode sink, an electrolyte, the separation of ionic transport and electronic transport. An anode is the source, a cathode is sink, an electrolyte the separation of ionic transport and electronic transport. Examples of batteries: Samsung, Panasonic, Sanyo, LG, Sony. These are the different companies used batteries. The timeline for the major events in the history of batteries. The first one, 1836, John Frederick Daniel developed the first battery able to produce a constant source of electricity, that is Daniel cell. In 1836, John Frederick Daniel proposed Daniel cell. Next, second one, 1899 to 1901, Waldemar Junger, Sweden, invented the nickel cadmium battery in the 1899. Edison, USA, invented the nickel iron battery in 1901. Next battery, in 1973, Saft introduced the first commercial primary lithium cell or military application. Lithium cell or military application. In 1990, Sanyo and Matsushita commercialized nickel metal hydride batteries. And 1791, Galvani observed that electricity is conducted through animal tissue, frog leg experiment. Next, 1866, George Lionel Leclanche developed the first prototype, the modern dry cell, that is Leclanche cell. Next, 1959, Eveready commercialized the first alkali battery developed by Lou Urey. 1991, Sony commercialized the first lithium ion battery. 1800, Alessandro Volta described the first electrochemical battery, that is voltaic pile. Next, 1859, Gaston Plante developed the first rechargeable battery, that is lead acid battery. Next one, 1878, Miche designed the first air cell. Next, 1940, the first button cell was developed, that is zinc silver oxide cell. 1947, Newman successfully sealed the nickel cadmium battery. His design is currently used in electronic applications. 1970, nickel hydride battery was developed for satellite application. 1975, rechargeable alkaline manganese cells were developed. These are the different cells, timeline for the major events in the history for batteries. Batteries history timeline. Okay. Next one, applications of batteries. Laptops used batteries. Cars, automobiles used batteries. Some artificial tissues development we use batteries, that is robots. Okay, next one, camera used battery. Next one, mobile accessories used batteries. Okay, next one, whatever it is, electronic gadgets are all electronic gadgets used batteries. These are the application of batteries. See types of batteries. Batteries are mainly two types: primary batteries, secondary batteries. Primary batteries are disposable because their electrochemical reaction cannot be reversed. Electrochemical reaction cannot be reversed. Delta G negative irreversible. Delta G negative irreversible. Secondary batteries are rechargeable batteries because their electrochemical reaction can be reversed by applying a certain voltage to the battery in the opposite direction of the discharge. Delta G negative in discharge manner, delta G positive in charge manner. Next one, zinc air battery is the first primary battery. At anode, zinc is treated with hydroxide. Zinc is treated with hydroxide ion to form zinc ion and losing electrons, so oxidation takes place at anode position. Zinc is treated with hydroxide ion to form a zinc ion and losing electrons, so oxidation takes place at anode position. At cathode, oxygen and water gains electrons to form hydroxide ion, so reduction takes place at cathode position. Reduction takes place at cathode position. Net reaction, zinc ion treated with hydroxide to form zinc oxide and water. Zinc ion treated with hydroxide to form zinc oxide and water. See this is the diagram of zinc air battery. Here zinc metal, it acts as a anode. Anode charge is negative charge. Next, which one is oxygen or air? Air acts as a, there is a porous air cathode. This air oxygen gas acts as a cathode. Cathode charge is positive charge. From zinc anode to electrons moves towards voltmeter, anode to cathode. This is the direction of movement of electrons. Okay, this is the diagram which can explain zinc air battery reactions. This is the zinc metal. In between there is electrolyte solution. In this one, electrolyte solution is whatever it is, alkali KOH solution is the best electrolyte solution. In this one, oxygen air, porous oxygen plate acts as a cathode one. Zinc metal acts as a anode. There is a membrane separator chamber in between anode material to cathode material. Here there is a catalyst active layer, that is gas diffusion layer. Catalyst active layer or gas diffusion layer. See the reactions at anode reaction. Zn gives rise to Zn plus 2 electrons. Further, Zn plus 2 plus 4 OH minus gives rise to zinc tetrahydroxide. Next one, zinc tetrahydroxide to form zinc oxide plus water plus 2 OH minus. These are the reactions at anode position. Zinc metal, general zinc metal is losses 2 electrons to form zinc ion, zinc cation. This zinc cation attracts with OH minus ions. The available source of OH minus ions are electrolyte solution, that is alkali KOH solution. To form zinc tetrahydroxide, this zinc tetrahydroxide ion forms zinc oxide, water, and releases 2 hydroxide ions. Next, at cathode reactions, oxygen gas reacts with water molecules and gains 4 electrons to form 4 OH minus ions. The another way of reactions are O2 plus 2H2O plus 2 electrons gaining to form HO2 minus plus OH minus. HO2 minus plus OH minus. These are the probable reactions of at cathode position. And finally, in net reaction, the product is zinc oxide and water molecule. Zinc oxide and water molecule. This is the zinc air cell battery. This is the first primary battery in your syllabus. This is the primary batteries concept. Okay, primary batteries definition, and your examples of primary battery is zinc air battery. Once again, revise these video slides. Okay, see introduction of primary batteries. Okay, there are 3 scientists proposed battery concept. Okay, in frog leg experiment by Galvani in the year 1786, demonstration of Volta pile by Volta in 1792, lead acid accumulator by Plante in 1859. These are several battery chemistries have been developed and realized commercially. Battery concept. Battery means a battery is a transducer that converts chemical energy into electrical energy and vice versa. Vice versa means chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is converted into chemical energy. It contains an anode is the source, a cathode is the sink, an electrolyte is the separation of ionic transport and electronic transport. Okay, this is the timeline for the major events in the history of batteries. The first one is Galvani. Galvani proposed a battery concept in the 1791. Next, 1800, Alessandro Volta proposed voltaic cell, that is electrochemical battery. In 1836, John Frederick Daniel proposed Daniel cell. In 1859, Gaston Plante developed lead acid battery. In 1866, George Lionel Leclanche cell. Next one, 1878, Michael Meitch designed the first air cell. Next, 1899, Waldemar Janger, Sweden scientist, nickel cadmium battery, and 1901, Edison. Next, 1940, the first button cell was developed, zinc silver oxide cell. 1947, Newman's success sealed the nickel cadmium battery. Next, 1959, Eveready commercialized the first alkali battery developed by Lou Urey. Next, 1970, nickel hydride battery. Next 1973, it's a primary lithium cell for military application. 1975, rechargeable alkaline manganese. 1990, Sanyo and Matsushita commercialized nickel metal hydride battery. And last one, 1991, Sony commercialized the first lithium ion battery. This is the timeline for the major events in the history of batteries. Next one, there are some applications of batteries in cars, mobiles, telephone accessories, okay, next robotics, okay, next one, artificial organs. Next one, types of batteries. Two types of batteries, primary batteries, secondary batteries. Primary batteries cannot be reversed, that is non-rechargeable batteries. Secondary batteries are rechargeable batteries. Delta G is negative in discharge manner, delta G positive in charge condition. Next, zinc air battery is the first primary battery. At anode position, zinc is treated with hydroxide ion to form zinc ion and losing electrons. So oxidation takes place at anode position. At cathode, oxygen and water gains electrons to form hydroxide ion. So reduction takes place at cathode position. Net reaction, zinc ion is treated with hydroxide to form zinc oxide and water. Okay, these are the diagram which can explain zinc air battery. Next one, these are the reactions of zinc air battery, where electrolyte solution is alkali KOH solution. That's enough, students. This is the primary battery concept. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening.